Hello, my friend. Are your tear ducts so blocked that even onions can't make you cry? Do your friends think you don't have any emotions? If you're suffering from a blocked tear duct, you are not alone. Our friend Elaine has asked for a natural method for this. Imagine how much better you feel when you can cry tears of joy. Let's get started. Both fingers on the tear duct and tap it up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage from the top downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage in a clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the best result, follow my pace. 3, 4, 5. Push it in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will feel the tension if you are pushing your fingers in enough. 4, 5. Hold it and breathe out through your nose. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push it in and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And drop your fingers down. With both palms on your eye and massage it downward. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will not damage the eyes by using strength. Don't be scared. Go for it. 4, 5. With both palms, massage your tear duct downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage the top of your eyes outward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With both fingers on your tear duct and blink your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please blink strongly. 3, 4, 5. Push it in and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Place both palms on your eyes and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place your palm firmly against your eye. You will feel the jelly texture of your eye. And drop your hands down. Don't forget to get your free case study on how I breathe better and get rid of congestion. Click here.